everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today I wanted to share with you these easy envelope pocket holders that I made. They're just simple ones made from a 12-inch paper, and it's actually 12 inches by 7.5 inches that I used to make them. And they're just kind of in the CD folder style. That's kind of what I'm calling them, because it kind of opens like the CD holders, and and then it's just got a couple of pockets in here. The reason I found myself making these was I'm in a stamp craft swap where you have to make I think it's 20 stamped images, and you trade them with a partner. You get set up with a partner, and they send you 20 stamped images of their choosing, and you do the same for them. And they can be words, or they can be pictures, or you can put them on tags or cards, different things like that. So yeah, that's why I originally made this. So but I thought they turned out really cute, so I made a couple of this size, 12 by 7.5, and then I made one a little bit smaller. So I'll just show you those. So this is the first one. It's pretty kind of watercolor peach paper, peach and white paper here. It says, I've got a little stamp that I used that says "Just for You" on there. And then I just cut out a little heart, and used my scallop punch for the circle there, and put them on silver doily. I think it looks quite pretty in the center there. And then inside I've just added some ephemera pieces. It says "Life is Nice." I stamped "Hello" on there and just added a little star and heart there. It says "This is happening and I'm so excited." And then on the back I just left it fairly plain. It just added a little punch circle and a sticker that says "Do what makes you happy." And you could add extra stuff on there if you wanted to, but I thought this is easy for flat mail. It keeps it really nice and flat, and that's even with my stamps in there. And after I can show you some of the stamps that I've done, but for now I'll just show you the other one, pocket folders that I've made. So this is one in kind of the white with a green watercolor on the edge there. And then I've used the silver doily and a little bow and some punch outs, stamped "Just for You" on there. Pretty little flower. On the inside, I've done just some sparkle paper, a little arrow. It says "Best." Added some flower with a little kind of puffy sticker in the center there. A little fabric flower, and then just some pieces that I cut out. Another sticker that says "Yay." And on the back of this one I've done just a little circle punch that says "Love this." So very simple, but nice to fill and send to someone. And then this is the smaller version that I did. And this one I made a little belly band for, which turned out kind of cute. In another swap I was in, this girl sent me this little rosette chipboard, I guess it is, little rosette with the butterfly and the button on it, and it matched perfectly, I thought, with this polka dot paper. So I used that on the belly band. Her name was Natasha. And so here I've got, this is a smaller size. I can't quite remember what it was. Let's see if I have it written down here. No, I can't see it at the moment, but anyways, it's smaller than the other ones that I've done. And so it says "Hooray" on there, just some little bling on the front. And then I used my fancy scissors to make a little edge on the top. The pocket's a little bit deeper on this one, but still like a nice, good size pocket there. Some little things I've punched out, butterflies and little sayings there, "So sweet." And then "Smile" there. And I didn't put anything on the back of this one because it's got the belly band that goes on there anyway, so I thought that was okay. Let's see if I can get this back on now. Probably not. But anyways, you get the idea. It does go on pretty easy, but obviously not at the moment. Okay, we'll do that later. So anyways, I'll just show you quickly some of the stamps that I've was able to make. I don't have tons of stamps yet, but I'm collecting them. And so this is a simple like butterfly, and I stamped "Thank You" on there. I used a little coffee cup stamp on this one. It says Seize Today. This one said celebrate, and I added some little stickle on there to glitter it up a little bit. Someone had made me this black ornament, and so I just kind of embellished it a bit for that. Here's another one I punched out. It says you are my sunshine, and stamped on that, and then the little sunglasses. To from. Some of them are quite simple, but useful. For you, and this kind of pretty bubble kind of colors and paper there. A little pineapple that I made into a gift tag. This one says be brave, be happy, stamped on there. I stamped on this kind of pretty birthday tag. It says happy birthday to you, little floral on there. Here I was able to use a little bicycle stamp and hello, and just stamp that on kind of a journaling card for them. There's another one I stamped for a little Christmas journaling card. It says merry and bright. And then here was a rose, a piece of ephemera, and then I stamped the word dream on there in black. I think that turned out really nice. So that's quite a few there. And then I did another, this side is loaded too. So I've got some Christmas stamps that I did for them. One could be a tag, and there's a couple there. It says Merry Christmas. This one has some Christmas little kind of fun animals on it. This is some birthday balloons. Some more birthday tags there. It's a little suitcase on this one. It says wish. Some that I put thank you on. Yeah, just some other ones that I stamped on here. The little heart up there, and then this is a scroll kind of swirly pretty stamp on there. It says wish on that one, and another one that I stamped happy birthday on. So I think I've got about 25 in here altogether, and we just needed to send 20, so it's amazing how many you can fit inside these little pocket folders. So I'm going to just take you through how to put one together quickly. So I'll be right back. Okay, so you've got your 12 inches by 7.5 inch scrapbook paper here cut. And now you're going to score along the 12-inch side at the 6-inch point. So if you have a scoreboard at the 6 inches, you would score along here, which I've already pre-scored. Then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 2.5 inches. So that's right here, and just down like that all the way through. And then that's it for your scoreboard. Then you're just gonna crease the lines. So get this lined up here. And the other one. This way, and then just nice and creased here so that it holds nicely. And so then it looks like this. And you can crease it again a little bit on the edges just to flatten it. And so it looks like this, and now you can see how this will be your pocket here. So then what I do is I fold it again like this, and I just do a little notch cut here to kind of down the thing. Just cut that little piece out. So when you fold up, you have a little kind of V there. And you can do the same on the edges, just kind of notch them in a little bit, like I did here. You can see it on this one, like that. So I'll do that here. You don't have to do too much, but just a little ways up. So you got like this. And then what I do is take my 1.5 inch circle punch, and I kind of punch a hole in the center of each side like this, and you can sort of turn it over to see what you're doing. And just kind of a 1/4 of a circle. You don't need it too big on these for this. So let's do this same on this side. So it's going to look like that. And you can round these corners here if you like. I did on my other ones. I just thought they look nicer. But if you like to leave it square, or you don't have corner rounder, you can just leave it square. For now, I'll leave it like that. And then what you would do is just put some glue here and here, or tape, and then the same on the sides. You'll just tape that together, and that's all it is really. And then you just embellish it as you like. You can use some of these ideas if you like them, and yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. So I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.